I want to check the 360-degree camera.
Excuse me, sir, we let someone help you with that.
Ah, okay, thank you. I want to check the 360-degree. Let's go. Ah. Oh.
So this one first.
Okay.
I'll show you our Nissan Intelligent Mobility. So we have 4 key features. So the first one is our lane departure warning. Okay, so for the Nissan Terra, we have the lane departure warning. It can read the markers on the highway. So when you unintentionally swerve to the left or to the right, we have visual and audible alerts inside.
What if it's a tricycle or a pedicab? What if it's a motorbike? Will it also detect?
Yes.
How about on the roads without the lane?
Okay.
What happens there? Like we see that often, right?
Yes. So it will not activate the lane departure warning, but we also have a blind spot warning.
Blind spot.
Yeah, so this is a blind spot warning. So we have sensors at the rear bumper. So from 10 feet, it can identify any vehicle that's entering your blind spot.
Okay.
Tricycles, buses, any kind. So again, we have visual and audible alerts inside.
이 차가 은근히 세이프티 피처리 많아.
So this one is only available in the Nissan X-Trail.
X-Trail.
Yes.
Not Terra.
Yes. So what this does, we have a radar underneath the emblem. It can detect any vehicle collision or a pedestrian collision. So automatically 50% of your speed will be decreased. If the driver fell asleep, he didn't notice the alarm, it will come to a complete full stop before impact.
But there still could be an impact. It will minimize the impact.
Exactly.
Okay.
Now this is the highlight of the event. So we call it the Intelligent Rearview Monitor of the Nissan Terra. So we have 4 cameras in the front, back, and side mirrors. We also have a moving object detection. It can identify humans, objects, and animals surrounding your vehicle. And we also have a 360-degree bird's eye view of what's happening. And you can see that in your car. So now I'll bring you to the simulation.
Oh, okay. Wow.
So you can experience it.
Oh, yeah, we're going to experience the 360 degrees, right? Thank you. Oh, wow.
Alright, so we have a short introduction first.
Yes.
You can stand here.
Okay.
And then there we have our monitor.
Ah, okay. 저거 보래요.
Nissan Intelligent Mobility is an entirely new way to get around. Connect. Move forward. It's more than just change. It's a revolution. And it's available to everyone. With tech that helps you see more. With a fresh perspective. Helps warn you about things on the move. And can even stop for things in your way. It helps you see what you otherwise might miss, even when someone steps in front of you. It helps warn you of things ahead. With technology anticipating, responding like a true partner, changing your commute forever. It can stop and go in traffic for you. It all adds up to confidence you can feel behind the wheel. Nissan Intelligent Mobility is about moving us forward. Now the most exciting tech you own is in your driveway.
Okay, so we have a short live demo of how the
Welcome to your Nissan Intelligent Mobility experience. Get ready.
I can go inside?
You are about to learn an easier and smarter way of driving. The vehicle next to you is equipped with Nissan Intelligent Mobility Technology.
I'm inside the car. And this is the VL model.
So this is just a virtual show.
Okay. Wow. This is the 4x4
To begin
VL.
your experience, Please press the start button without stepping on the brake pedal.
Without.
Yes. Right? So this is a blind, did you see the light?
This vehicle is
A while
equipped
ago,
with
the yellow,
intelligent
it's okay.
round view monitor with moving object detection. Please press the camera button and pick your preferred view.
Yeah, okay?
The camera button.
Yes.
Oh. 그죠? 360도. You can also see it there?
Yes.
You now have a bird's eye view of your car
Wow.
with the help of 4 sets of cameras.
This is so amazing. Wow. But it's big. You can also show here?
Yes.
On the right side, at the back, and on the left side.
Wow.
These guarantee
All
a
like
better
this?
awareness
Yeah.
of
Wow.
your surroundings,
So
making
amazing.
driving much easier.
Oh, the aircon is on.
Yes.
Parallel parking is one area where the intelligent around view monitor helps you park effortlessly.
Yes, I suck in that.
It helps you correctly gauge the distance between your vehicle and the ones parked in front, behind you, and the curb, so you can back into a tight space with ease and confidence.
Whoa.
The same goes for perpendicular parking. The intelligent around view monitor helps you fit your car in a tight spot between two vehicles,
Oh, I have to
making
look
parking
here. Oh.
safer and easier.
Wow.
The intelligent around view monitor helps you maximize space when you need to park facing a wall. The cameras allow you to park as close to the wall as you can by showing the space between your front bumper and the wall. But parking is not the only area where the intelligent around view monitor comes in handy. When you're approaching a tight
You
lane,
can also
the cameras
change the
guide you to
view.
maneuver your car
Ah.
This is-
so that
so
you
can
don't
see
hit the
side,
curb.
Oh.
And then if you just want to
Or
see the
other
back
objects.
only. And then you can
Press
also
the camera button at
turn
speeds
this
up
off
to
and
10
become a
kilometers per
regular
hour.
mirror. And then it
Easily
still
and
shows
safely
there.
navigate
Oh, yeah.
through the tight
Yes.
spots.
Okay. So this is the moving object detection.
The intelligent around view monitor with moving object detection helps you spot what you might miss. It alerts the driver with visual and audible warnings if there is a moving vehicle, person, or any object around the vehicle, helping you avoid any parking hazards.
Oh.
Whether if it's your family or friends with you in the car, maintaining a clear rear view can be a problem. The intelligent rear view mirror solves this by giving you an unobstructed view of what's going on behind you.
Oh.
A camera at the rear hatch expands your rear field of vision, helping you see around obstructions for a completely unimpeded view. Nissan Intelligent Mobility is the technology that helps you drive easier, smarter, and safer. It gives you a bird's eye view of your vehicle that helps you perfectly park your car and navigate tight spots. With its cameras and sensors, you get to correctly gauge distances, maximize spaces, and eliminate blind spots. Once you start using it, you will wonder how you live without it. Thank you.
Wow.
And we hope you enjoyed your Nissan
It's like I'm in
Intelligent
Enchanted
Mobility
Kingdom.
experience.
Oh, yes.
Please
롯데
enter
월드
the
와 있는 것
vehicle
같다고
and
그랬어.
proceed to the reception area.
Okay, thank you very
Oh,
much.
thank you. But I have a question.
Sure, sure.
This 360-degree camera doesn't show here.
Sorry?
It doesn't show here. It only shows here. It doesn't
Okay.
show on the head unit.
I see.
How come this one does?
See, maybe it wasn't on.
Nobody has a solution.
Really?
Yeah, so I'm just shocked. How come in this unit it has? So maybe it's a special unit that came from another country or something. Because the local units, even though it's the top of the line, wala eh. Do you have any idea?
It's my first time actually to hear that.
Do you think anybody there knows? The 360-degree camera, right?
Yes, sir.
Does it also show on the head unit?
Yes, sir.
But when I test drove before,
Oh, yes, sir.
it only showed in the
Yes,
room
sir.
mirror and not on the
Yes,
head.
sir. Our unit, sir, is upgraded, so the around view monitor, sir, is shown on the head unit monitor.
So how can I purchase the upgraded unit?
If you buy, sir, by June or this month,
Looking for that lunar metallic gray model.
What, where that one is 29 here?
This one is a 4x4 model, right? This one also has the 360 degrees there on the head. Ah, here it is. Yeah, this one is nice.
Yes, sir.
This is the one I want.
Okay, so
2019 February.
yes,